Let's talk of the amazing journey of water.
Have you ever taken a few moments to consider the cycle of water? Flowing so easily and serenely, this water comes from rains that fell and nourished the earth hundreds of years ago.
When rain falls, the earth absorbs it. Hundreds of years later, that rain appears on the surface, like this. The cycle of water is pretty amazing. It falls to earth and is purified, and then nourishes the earth by giving life. It is an endless journey that defies imagination. Water is found in these wild forests as well. The cycle continues everywhere, throughout the full expanse of nature.
It takes about 1,000 years for groundwater to reappear on the surface. During that time, deep in the earth, water is being purified so that it can nourish the earth.
The cycle of water began long before humans inhabited the earth.
97% of the Earth's water is seawater. The rest is fresh water. Of that fresh water, 99% is found in glaciers, icebergs, or groundwater. The life of every single living creature and plant on our planet depends on this relatively small amount of fresh water.
If only we could stop polluting our precious water, we would find that the longer water's journey is, the more pure it becomes. That is the mission of water. The most important thing we have to do is care for water and respect it. We have the capacity to do this, and we must do so.
Water goes through a vast distillation system created by nature. When water evaporates, it reduces heat in the air, so Earth's temperature can be maintained at levels that support life.
All you have to do is look around us to understand what an important role water plays in the lives of every living thing on our planet. An insect, for example, sees a drop of water, and for it, this drop is like a shining lake drawing the insect to it. Even a tiny insect understands the value of water and knows not to spoil this source of nourishment.
It is imperative that not only do we conserve water, but we take measures to protect it. The unfortunate truth of our modern times is that we have spoiled water using artificial materials. And because of this, much water cannot be naturally purified and will never become fresh water again. Imagine, only 1 teaspoon of crude oil requires 200,000 spoonfuls of water to dilute it to the extent that it can again support life.